Hi, my name is Rod Besa, Patricia, my wife, and we own Besa Quality Auto Care. We're a small family business. We've been in the same block for 30 years, specializing on European vehicles. We had very good results with Broadly. It enables us to communicate with customers, not just by phone and email, but also by text and chatting. Broadly integrates with our software management, so once the car is done and invoiced, it automatically sends a request for the reviews. Our online reviews have increased by over 60% in just a few months. Broadly is simple to use, and it enables us to seamlessly communicate with customers.